welcome back to What is CAD? I'm Winston, your guide to all things related to computer-aided design. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of sustainable design in CAD in an era where environmental consciousness is paramount. It's crucial for designers to embrace sustainable practices. In this video, we'll explore how CAD, computer-aided design, can help us achieve this goal. Let's get started. Sustainability has become a pressing concern in all areas of our lives, including design. By adopting sustainable practices, we can minimize our impact on the environment and work towards a greener future. CAD, computer-aided design, plays a crucial role in this process. CAD allows designers to simulate the use of different materials virtually. This feature is invaluable when it comes to sustainable design. By testing various materials digitally, designers can assess their environmental impact and make informed choices. For example, they can compare the energy consumption, carbon emissions, and waste generation associated with different materials before manufacturing a physical prototype. Another powerful tool provided by CAD is the ability to measure environmental impacts. Designers can analyze factors such as energy consumption, water usage, and greenhouse gas emissions associated with their designs. This data allows them to identify areas of improvement and make modifications to reduce their environmental footprint. CAD also enables designers to conduct lifecycle assessments of their products. They can simulate the entire lifespan of a product from raw material extraction to manufacturing, usage, and disposal. By understanding the environmental impacts at each stage, designers can optimize their designs for a more sustainable lifecycle. This approach ensures that products are not only environmentally friendly during use, but also during their entire existence. With CAD, designers have the tools to create sustainable and environmentally friendly products. They can integrate renewable materials, optimize energy efficiency, and minimize waste generation. By leveraging the power of CAD, designers can push the boundaries of sustainable design and contribute to a more sustainable future. CAD is revolutionizing the way we approach sustainable design. By simulating materials, measuring environmental impacts, and conducting life cycle assessments, designers can create products that are both aesthetically pleasing and environmentally conscious. Let's embrace CAD and work together towards building a greener future. Thank you for joining us today. If you want to learn more about CAD design, be sure to check out the links in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Until next time, keep designing.